So, hello boys, we are here again. We are trying to copy this skeleton loader for today. First, we're gonna remove this comment. This is simple because it's just an oval and a circle. So, yeah, let's create two divs. The first div, let's name this circle, and the second one is oval. It's really straightforward. Now, we have this div. Name this circle. Okay, and to make this rounded, you're gonna say border radius 50%. Then set the color to this dark blue here, and put this on the center. Position absolute, margin auto, inset 0. Yeah, these three lines of code will put this element in the center. And then from here, we can adjust the size. So yeah, 50 pixel on the width and 50 pixel on the height. Yep, that's right. And move this slightly on the left. To move this slightly on the left, oh, we have forget to press the play button. Yeah, to move this slightly on the left, we gotta use or utilize the full power of this inset property. This accepts 4 parameters like that, and the first parameter is the uh, horizontal offset. So a horizontal, I mean vertical offset, the X and the Y. So from top to bottom. If you gonna, we don't need to move this to the top or to the bottom. We need to move this to the left. So we need the horizontal offset or the second parameter. So the second parameter, you put here negative 50 pixel. I mean positive. Yeah, negative would push it to the right. That's not what we want. So yeah, from here we gotta adjust this slightly. Yeah, 60, 70, 60. Alright, this is much closer than earlier. Don't I don't see any reason why there's a gap here, but yeah, I would take this all day. So instead of creating another circle like this, circle 1, then circle 2, and then this is 2, just one element, and from this one element, we gotta create the second circle with a box shadow. So box shadow. In here, box shadow accepts 5 parameters. With the first 2 parameters is the horizontal and the vertical offset. So the first parameter, we would like to put a value of 100 pixel for now. 0 for the vertical, and 0 for the blur. The color is this, dark blue, the same as the original circle. So this has box shadow has also like what I said earlier, it has 5 parameters originally, but we can omit the fourth parameter, which is the size. As you can see, if I insert a fourth parameter here, like the 20 pixel, it increases the size of the circle. This is from the original circle right here in the middle. So if we want to this box shadow to have the same size as the original circle, we can just omit this fourth parameter, yeah, or 0 pixel. But we can just remove this all the way. Alright, we gotta put this first on the position. check the difference. 180, 170. Yeah, that's about right. This position. Okay. Now we gotta move on to the oval. This one. So just like the circle, we can do the same thing for the oval. And the only difference is that the width, right? Yeah, the width. So oval has different size of the oval. Obviously, oval has a different shape than circle. It is the height and the width is not equal, so we have to increase the width to 150, and then the border, the roundness, change the percent value to pixel. Yeah, reduce this a bit. Okay, now this oval is obviously in front of the circle. We gotta move this to the left side. So like what I said earlier, this inset value is our position relies on. So this, we gotta modify this to like 80, 70, 90. Yeah, move this a bit more on the left side. 120, 140, 50, 60, 190. Actually 200, let's go a lot. 220. Not enough. 230. Okay, that's about the original. So last thing we're gonna do is the background. It has the, what is this kind of color? Like a milk soft color. So body, background, copy this color, paste here, and we have this result. Yeah, it is weird that we got 100% match even though we have gaps in the diffs. You can see the shapes are not filled. Yeah, sometimes this happens. Yeah, that's it.